What's up everyone, Ian and Brittany from WEW Weekend, and we're going to give you guys a quick shop tour, even though it's not very good.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, over here we have a pile of metal. This is a very special pile of metal because it also has trash in it. So some people's metal piles just have metal, but ours is trash as well. I feel it's more synergistic.
And our mud flaps.
And our mud flaps, and we have a motorcycle jack, some other stuff we cut off.
And a big wooden block.
Yeah, and a railroad tie. We did not steal. So
over here we have more metal.
Over here there's more metal.
And an axle.
Yeah, this is going under the double cab. I don't know what it's doing here. And then,
oh, you know what?
What?
We should talk about this.
Oh, there's our drive shaft. Yeah, that's some good shit.
Yeah.
You can see. Oh my God. What in the world? What manner of thing is happening? You can see the drive shaft broke, and then I didn't weld it back together quite straight. So it was kind of like, moving oblong as it was going, and I was worried it was going to hit the gas tank. So I was like, oh, if I weld a file on it, it'll just file away until it clears the gas tank. Or the truck will burn down, but either one is really a win for us. So, there's that. Some other stuff I took off someone's truck, never put back.
Making our way down.
Here we have more metal. This is other stuff that we've taken off.
Believe it or not, it's got some kind of organizational pattern. This is round tube, and that appears to be square and angle.
This one has, yeah, this one has 90-degree angles. Anything with a 90-degree angle. And here we have our assorted Milwaukee Tools. We have a customer's battery. We're charging for him because we care. And it's an Optima, so it's probably completely messed up. All our tools. We got this sweet angle grinder rack. This is from Swag Off-Road. It's pretty dope. And then it's got like a bunch of slots in it for other tools too, which this isn't like what's supposed to go in it, but it's kind of what fits. I got like my needle scaler, all the stuff.
I had that poster made for Ian for Christmas.
Yeah.
I feel like he doesn't appreciate it as much as he should.
Moose. Yeah, that might be true. What else? I got some LP Sace that I'm putting on. Customer's truck. That's all I gotta say about that.
Yeah, so Ian built this table when we first moved in. It's actually been pretty useful. He pretty much works on this space and uses, it doesn't look organized, but it really is, if you know Ian.
Ouch. And check this out, right? You might think like, oh, this is just a normal vice mount, but it's actually on trailer hitch. So this thing will fucking unbolt and you pull it out and you put whatever in there, assuming that I actually had the time to make the other mounts that go in here, which I haven't. So here we have cutoff, which is conveniently placed to throw sparks onto the only chair. That's how I like it. This is where I sit. Also, before we had all of our like flammable liquids right here, so it would throw the sparks like directly onto them. So
Which we moved
far
far away.
Yeah, we decided we were gonna save some money, not get the fire insurance anymore, and then move it. This is the best part of the shop. We have our freezer. Keep a gallon of gin in here, some Smucker's Uncrustables, burritos. Yeah.
Most importantly, the gin and ice.
Yeah. And then, of course, our fridge, which we only keep the essentials in.
Tonic
Smucker's.
and lime.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is actually pretty nice.
It is. The water cooler, you can get water out of this hot enough for top ramen straight from the tap.
courtesy of the man behind the camera.
We got the Honey Nut Cheerios, because I'm all about them nuts, honey. Anyways, moving on.
Anyway.
This is like a bunch of tent stuff here, and the ladder. Fun fact, this ladder is rated for 200 pounds, so every time I get on it, I gotta do like 6 jumping jacks real quick before I get on it.
And I'm too scared to get on.
Yeah, and she's too scared because it's wobbly as hell. Over here, you can hear our toilet is running. It doesn't work.
Something wrong.
Something's wrong. Here's our shelves. Got like a 14-bolt locker, some ammo cans, some other stuff.
See?
Yeah.
Organized.
It's pretty good. These are like parts I've taken off people's stuff. We got shop towels. This is where they go, at an angle right here.
Actually,
This is their spot. Oh, look at all this oil. Oh, Amazon was the Amazon day they were having on this oil. Man, these containers are bad. Look at that. It's about to break. For sure that's gonna break. Just get oil everywhere. So, and then, what else we got here? We have a box full of ratchet straps.
that's actually useful.
Super, yeah, it's like one of our most used tools. We got some fans that don't work, an AC seal kit, that's trash. Solar charge controller, I don't even know how those work.
So this shelf is probably the most used shelf, which
Yeah.
conveniently is furthest away from where he works, and also the dog bed's in front of it, so
Yeah, so the dog's
yeah,
always in the way.
that could be fun.
So that's pretty sick. What do we got back here?
Oh.
Back here, we have blueberry honey whiskey, one thing of pickles. My name is Jeff. We got some beef jerky, a whole box full of tuna, and some top ramen. So this is the health food section of it.
Organic?
It's all organic, yeah. It's made out of organisms.
We're really making sure we're healthy here.
Yeah. It's eat, pray, love in here pretty much. What else we got?
A microwave,
Here?
which is pretty useful.
There are more
I
shop
just
towels.
put those there. I didn't realize you had a spot.
Oh
for
my
the-
god,
for
man.
the
They go at an
shop
angle
towels.
up there. I don't know how many times I have to tell her that. Up here, we have many Bilstein Shocks. We are a Bilstein Shock dealer, but we're hoarding all those for ourselves. So, good luck trying to buy them. They're ours. Over here, I keep like all my random tools that I don't really use. Like here's a seal puller. This is a ratchet from Harbor Freight. This thing didn't work brand new. That's how you know it's quality. What else? Oh, pretty much it. Got a bunch of stickers. This is all our stuff that we have to sell. The bottom, it's like a light bar, some exhaust. There's a couple of blown up 8-inch diffs that I've swapped out and then kept. Because I like just having trash. And there's a supercharger in there too, in case you want to supercharge something. Yeah, here's a grill. That goes on that truck.
Are you guarding it?
Guarding the grill? Yeah, I guard the grill. Here's our Harbor Freight winch. Never actually used it. Yeah, there you go. That's better. We got a gas can we don't use anymore, so now we have a 32-gallon fuel cell. What else? Oh, I built this fab table.
Yeah, this is actually pretty cool.
This is actually good. This is like the only part that doesn't suck. So it's got the air over hydro bender with like locking casters on it, and then you come over here and you just notch the tubes, and then I built a little rack on the bottom and I store like the other dies, and then my theory was over here you'd be able to like clean up the tubes, but I don't think I've used this once, and it's just in the way, so that part's sick.
Yeah.
Anyways, moving on.
We can,
Oh yeah, there's our notcher. Some good shit.
Those work well, yeah.
Just push that out of the way. This is the only thing that I legitimately use every single day, except for all the Milwaukee impacts. These are like Harbor Freight 5-drawer toolbox, works great.
Which actually is
I got a drawer for
really
hammers.
great, yeah.
This one has stuff in it, loosely organized by what it is. And then here, this one also has stuff in it. This one actually works good. I'm happy with it. Oh, I got like flatheads and then wrenches. All the sockets and like 87 tape measures. I usually can't find them though.
Got this add-on like side table, which is actually really helpful.
But I bent it because I put like 200 pounds on it. And it's not rated for 200 pounds. So, whoops. Here's my wiring box. This thing's great. Holds all my wiring. So I got like a bunch of junk in here. Pretty much just trash. All this is trash. There's nothing even in that drawer. This one I got like panel pliers apparently. These are great for clipping up panels. Also from Harbor Freight. And then at the bottom, this is all stuff I've taken off of people's trucks. It didn't do anything.
And some jumper cable.
And some jumper cable. Yeah, there's some other stuff going on. This is like a blow dryer if you want to die. There's a high lift jack. Try not to use that as much as possible. Oh, here's our welder. Oh, and of course we have a 2-post automotive lift. It's like a 70-30 lift, so you only pull the truck in part of the way, which is dope because then you can still open the door and get out. Otherwise, it's like super hard to get out. It's really annoying. And Brittany smacked her face hard on this
Hey,
thing.
look, it can
What?
happen to anyone.
Yeah. See, she did this while her face was like right here, and it just like nailed her yesterday. It's pretty good. Moves there goes.
Clearly judging.
He doesn't like it. For the welder, we just have like a normal Rebel 215 from ESAB, and then I just got like a case-sized bottle of MIG Mix. And let's say, oh, and then we got this sweet Harbor Freight jack. I got the action on this thing. Are you ready for this? Whoa! Pretty good. Was that metal shavings that fell off of it?
Put that away.
Manner of
Here's
thing.
the other axle
This is an axle.
that will eventually go on
The double cab. I got this for Brittany's birthday last year, and the bitch hasn't gotten around to putting it on.
1 year later.
1 year later, she's just fucking around. Yeah. And we just got a small compressor. And this fan works great. Keeps me from getting heat stroke, kinda. So yeah, that's pretty much our entire shop. It's like 1,000 square feet, and it sucks.
We have a loft that
Oh yeah.
stores a lot.
Yeah. Oh, and I should show them this, huh? There's a steppy stool. This thing is great. This is also from Harbor Freight.
It's my favorite Harbor Freight thing.
Check out the action on this bad boy. Anyways, I regularly lift like 500 pounds with that. So, if you're from OSHA and you're watching this, please don't audit us. And what are you gonna say, babe? Well, every weekend,
Welcome to our shop.
performance fabrication fuckery. If it's not in stock, we don't have it. That's where we got
Most of the time, yeah.
most of the time.